Good morning. It's February 28th and we're at Rush Truck in Gary, Indiana, and this is a before video. Now these guys purchased the system, the tool organization system, and installed it themselves and organized it themselves. So we're coming in to reorganize it and do it the tool organization system way. And this is kind of how they did it here. There's 15 panels. They kind of put the kits. Let's see, they put kits up here. They don't have really any tags. This is how they tag the panels, so they know what tools are on that panel. And they have, they just put these up all randomly, and it looks pretty chaotic there. Put these up here, which wasn't a bad idea. They got things in totes and just kind of staggered all over, and they're shelving. They have 4 shelves. There's really no organization on those. They're just kind of put on here. So we're going to inventory everything here, get it on a database for them, and then organize them by numbers on these panels for them. And get them set up the right way. Alright, with that I'm going to get started. We got our work cut out for us today, so alrighty, have a good day.